What's up, everyone? These are the TCT hole saw blades from Wild Bossy. These things are really nice, high quality. They're made really well. They come in 3/4 inch, 1 inch, 1 1/4 inch, and 1 1/2 inch diameter. These things are very sharp. They have nice blade on here. Cuts through the wood super easy. I really like the pilot hole drill bit. Makes just for a smooth operation. That way you know you're going to drill right into the center of the hole and just have a perfectly lined up hole every time. It does come with an extra pilot drill bit. And also hex wrenches. And that way you can easily loosen and tighten the drill bit right at the top there. So the material that these are made out of are just super strong and they work really well. It does have like a ejector hole on there as well, so it does get out the material really easily. It ejects the material right out the side. So let me show you here. This is the 1 1/4 inch. This just goes right, really nice. The pilot hole drill bit right down on there, and then just fire away. Comes right off. So these do a great job at cutting holes right through this wood. Made nice quick work of that. And these things are just high quality. They're made really well. Comes with a nice carrying case as well. So if you're looking for some really nice TCT hole saws, these one by Wild Bossy are a great choice. Thanks for watching.